Opposition Member of Parliament Tendai Biti has sounded the alarm over businessman Kudakwacha Tagwirei's potential rise to the presidency, warning it could spell doom for Zimbabwe. Biti criticized Tagwirei's growing influence within ZANU-PF, saying his ascent would undermine the country's reform efforts. Biti described Tagwirei as a totally vacuous comrade elite who has wormed his way into the ruling party, securing lucrative government contracts and expanding his business empire. Tagwirei's company, Secunda Holdings, has been implicated in a $3 billion scandal and was sanctioned by the U.S. for enabling corruption. Biti argued that the vacuum left by Liberation-era war veterans is being filled by opportunistic figures like Tagwirei who exploit their proximity to power for personal gain. The rise of this blank, totally vacuous comrade elite spells trouble for Zimbabwe, Biti warned.